VO Hub is the new central workspace in VO 6.3. It brings both local and cloud-based projects into one organized interface, making it easier to find, open, manage, and collaborate on projects, all from a single place. In earlier versions of VO, projects were scattered across local folders, shared drives, and email attachments. Users often had to remember file locations, manually manage versions, and rely on external tools to share models with teammates. VO Hub was introduced to solve these challenges by creating one central location where users can clearly see where their projects live, whether locally or in the cloud, and access them instantly. Cloud projects bring several powerful advantages. You can access projects from anywhere simply by signing in. Every project maintains a detailed change history, tracking who made changes, when they occurred, and what was modified. Users can also add comments to explain why changes were made, making collaboration far more transparent. In VO 6.3, the history feature has been expanded to include cloud history for both local and cloud projects. The history records detailed information, including the user, command, NHYD, type of action, date and time, and any additional details or comments.